Hey cruisers, we are on location in the Bahamas on a Princess cruise here on Princess Cays, which is a private island. What cooler place to bring you an unboxing of two brand new items for my husband from Movement, MVMT, you know the people. They've sent us wonderful products before, and we're going to show you our new sunglasses today and new watch. So the sunglasses are called Weekend and polarized, and I'm going to show them to you right now without any buildup at all because they are so gorgeous. And here they are, very stylish, a little bit edgy for my husband, and he absolutely loves polarized lenses. So let me give you a little bit of a closer look here. Opening them up delicately. They have kind of a brushed gold finish and a very nice tortoise shell appearance. Very, very beautiful glasses. So these are the glasses that my husband thought would be fun to try out. Something a little bit different, something a little bit fun, and like I said, edgy. He wanted something that was a little outside of his comfort zone, and that is what we got in these. Now remember, we're gonna put details for our special discount for these products in the description below, but basically what you're gonna do is go to movement.com, so MVMT.com, and use the code CruiseTips15. What do you guys think about checking out my husband's new watch? This is something that we've been really looking forward to trying out. You guys have seen me try two watches for women from Movement, and now we got a gorgeous one from Movement called the Chrono in gunmetal. This is the gorgeous case that it comes in, and I'm going to open it up and give you guys a peek. Here we go. All right, here is the first look. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm going to peel off this little protective screen so you can get a closer look. It actually has protective film all around the watch that you can see right now. The watch also comes with extra links and a little tool to add or to remove links if you need it. So isn't this gorgeous? What do you guys think? It's very masculine. I think it's also kind of minimalist. I love that about it. And you can wear this with jeans, or my husband could wear this on formal night on a cruise. So thank you guys for joining us on location today in the Bahamas. We're so happy to have you here. And until next time, get in gear and get cruising. Bye.
First mate of the week.